right, guys, welcome back. It is the middle of August, and that means it is spooky season. There we go. Got him. Oh, got him. All right, so this time of year, guys, the big bass are starting to get more active. They're getting more aggressive, and they're looking for bigger baits. So normally, guys, I would use a whopper plopper, but this time of year, I tend to get a lot of short strikes and a lot of misses. Big blow-ups, but misses and short strikes. So how do I remedy that? I remedy that, guys, with the Spook. This is a simple lure to use. This one here I got from 12 Oaks Custom Lures with a custom paint job. You can find these at Walmart, Bass Pro Shops, Academy, just about anywhere, guys. The Zorro Spook has been around for a long time, and it is a big bass catcher. All right, guys, so what you want to do is you want to cast it out there. You want to make long casts, all right? And then you just want to twitch the rod. I prefer cross body like you see here. And then as you do that, you're going to reel the line in a synchronized rhythm. This is an excellent way to catch you some big fall bass. All right, guys, let's get in here and see how we do. All right, guys, I'm gonna slide in right here. The last few times I've been out here, I've seen bass in this area. So I know they're present. I'm gonna see if we can catch some of them. This is really deep, and it looks like it's not, but it's really just like a bunch of big rock points. Oh, missed him. It's first signs of a fish. So here's kind of a dried up version, guys, of what's going on out there. As you see, it's got these big holes just like this right here, but they're out in the water too. So you really got to pay attention when you're out here. You don't want to fall off in something like this. I mean, this is just a shallow one here. Some of them are far deeper than this right here. This has been filled in, right, with all the runoff and stuff, and so it's filled up through the years. The ones out there that stay in the water are not filled up. There we go. That's a good one. That's a good one. Big largemouth. There we go. First one of the morning. Good fish. Good fish. He annihilated it. He's probably about 2 pounds, 2.5 pounds. Good looking largemouth, guys. Good looking largemouth. All right, let's get him on up out of here. I'm gonna probably get me a picture with him. Hell, it might be the only fish I catch this morning. All right, buddy, we'll see you later. Got him. That's a good fish. That's a good fish. There we go, guys. That is a dandy of a Mill Creek, a smallmouth. It's about 15, maybe 16 inches. He is a brute, man. He just nailed that coming through there. All right. All right, guys, let's go ahead and get him on up out of here. watched a big fish come off of that right there. Oh my God. Got him. I got him. Oh, I lost him. No. Oh, dude. Dang, I watched him come off that ledge, go up underneath there, and he came back underneath, and he annihilated it right there in the corner. I got him kind of stuck in between the rocks there where he hit at. Dang. That was a good fish. Crap. Well, guys, it's been a pretty good morning. Big largemouth, pretty decent smallmouth. That was a giant smallmouth that jumped up right there and smoked my bait. A giant smallmouth that I missed this morning. Oh my God. I tell you guys, the more I explore this place, the more I try different lures in this place, the more I start to unlock what's really inside here. And I gotta say, there are some giants in here. I bet you that if I fish this enough that I'll catch a 5-pound smallmouth here eventually on camera. And that's what I'm gonna do, guys. I'm gonna probably make quite a few videos here. It won't be the only place I'm going, but plan on seeing some of these waterfall videos because I want to get a hold of one of these big ones that are in here. I see them, I miss them, I know they're here. I'm just gonna figure them out. So far, it seems like this spook is doing the job, guys. If you've never tried a spook, I highly recommend it. Walking the dog is a pretty easy technique. All you gotta do is toss it out there and slowly retrieve it, and then you wanna get like a bounce going to it, right? It's a rhythm, just a boom, 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 boom. And if you do that, I promise you, you will get some of the most insane blow-ups of your life. All right, guys, stick around, see what we can catch. It's not a bad one. There we go. Number 3 or 4 on the day. Decent size wise. May only be number 3 decent size. He's not bad. He was definitely awfully angry coming through there. We got him though. Alright. Get him back over here where he came from. And I'm wanting to lose this spot. The water's pretty shallow around here. All right, buddy. See you later. Right back under there he goes. All right. Moving on. That was right where it needed to be. Close enough to where it needed to be. Oh dang, look at that big smallmouth right here in front of me. Oh, got him! Dude, look at that. Settle down, buddy, settle down, settle down, settle down, settle down. Dang, that's a hog. I just watched him swim right across here, guys. That's like another 16 or so. That was badass. That's a beauty right there, guys. That is a good one. Watching him come through there like that and then just blow up on that was freaking awesome. Oh man, I gotta get his picture. That's a dandy. All right, guys, let's get him on out of here. But man, that is a beautiful, beautiful fish. I think I'm gonna do an underwater on him. Let's see if we can pull it off. The water's kind of murked up here. Got him. Tell you what, they're really starting to wake up now. This one here ain't bad. Probably about 13 or 14. Get him out and get him on his way. There we go. Not a bad one. All right. See you later, buddy. Tell you guys right now, this spook is putting a whooping on them. Ain't nothing like a spook in the fall season, guys. I'm telling you right now. Nothing like a spook in the fall time. Oh, there we go. That's a real good one. Oh, maybe not. He hit it really hard. Man, he is really pulling. Is he bigger than I think or something? He's just really strong. I'll tell you what, I thought this right here was a giant. I really did, the way he hit. He absolutely slammed it. Yeah, they're alive today. They are waking up midday. There we go, guys. About another 14 incher. Oh man, they're explosive. All right, see you later, buddy. Well, let's go back after another one. Whew. Got him. Not a bad fish. Another solid one, man. Tell you what, they're not super long in here, but they're extremely powerful and heavy. They have got some weight to them. There you go, that's another one. Another 14. I mean, this place is just loaded with these guys. All right, get back in there, buddy. They're so aggressive too, man. Hit so hard. I love that about them. All right. I'm telling you guys, it's a matter of time. Just a matter of time before we actually grab a real giant 4 or 5 pounder. I feel it. All right, guys, that is a wrap on the episode. Man, I tell you what, I absolutely love spook season, guys. It is so exciting. Just the way the bass just absolutely annihilate it, man. I mean, I can't believe that big largemouth early in the morning, that smallmouth that swam right by me, saw the spook, turned, went down and came up and annihilated it. Oh man, guys, why don't you throw a spook? That is so exciting. I'm pumped. I'm ready to go hit another stream, guys. But yeah, remember, spooks in the fall time, the beginning fall, right now in August. August is fall. I know it's still hot on some days, but this morning, guys, it was 68 degrees. You know how long it's been since it's been 68 degrees? Probably 4 months, all right? So fall is now, all right? The fall is now. Bass are doing their thing right now. This is it right now. Get out there, get some of these monsters, guys. They are active, they're out there. Man, I'm sorry I couldn't get any of the really big ones today. but I'll tell you what, I'll take 2 pound, 3 pound largemouth and smallmouth all day long, guys. All right, see you on the next one.